Hello everyone and welcome to the Adarsh Rath report. So today we will discuss something very interesting about cricketers. So recently I was having an ice breaking session with MBA management graduates और वो discussion था about the people you admire. So उसमें very interesting बहुत लोग cricketers को admire करता है which is very usual. इंडिया में तो cricket is a religion. लेकिन that gave me a thought कि जब discussion हो रहा था and then the point was कि sports का एक self life होता है. So after certain age 30s या 40s like there are few people lucky जो लोग 40s के beyond भी खेलते हैं like धोनी. उससे ये पता चलता है कि they delivered magic on field लेकिन off field क्या, because they have a self life which means उनको कुछ ऐसे जगह invest करना पड़ता होगा मतलब कि business में. And today we will discuss about few of our role models जैसे MS धोनी, विराट कोहली, युवराज सिंह, हार्दिक पांड्या, रोहित शर्मा. बट ऐसे बहुत सारे क्रिकेटर्स हैं जो कि करते हैं. वी विल टॉक ओनली अबाउट नोटेबल इन्वेस्टमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल MS धोनी. सो धोनी has invested in Garuda Aerospace which is into drone technology, and also Cars 24 and Blue Smart which is into automobile, Bluestone which is into jewelry sector, Khata Book which is a digital ledger for MSME for the record keeping, and Seven Ink Blues which is into FMCG. अब देखिए उनका पोर्टफोलियो. I mean it is technology, automobile, jewelry, MSME sector, FMCG sector. So very diversified portfolio. And similarly if you see Sachin Tendulkar, so एक company है Jet Synthesis which is into gaming and digital entertainment, Smartron which is into IoT, Internet of Things, First Cry हम लोग जानते हैं अभी recently it went for IPO, Spinny which is into car retail, Unacademy which is EdTech company, Smash Entertainment which is into virtual reality and sports, gaming, and then Musafir करके एक travel experience related company है. So you see the portfolio जो सचिन तेंदुलकर has also invested in. See gaming भी है, children का है First Cry, IoT है, leisure brand है, education है, sports है, travel experience. So इसको छोड़ के भी और जगह भी invest किए होंगे. Similarly like विराट कोहली एक Range Coffee करके है which is into FMCG, Fitness Center, Chisel, Wrong, WROGN which is into fashion, Blue Tribe which is mostly into plant-based meat products, Sports Convo उनका 18 restaurant भी है, and then he has invested into many other things. Yuvraj Singh also we know is famous venture fund which is UVCAN. He has invested in Aguilita Sports which is again athleisure brand. He has invested in Healthyan which is into health diagnostic tests वगैरह कराता है, EduCart which is into EdTech company. So similarly say Hardik Pandya, it is into Areto which is into children footwear, London Club which is into financial planning. As Rohit Sharma has also invested in Hero One which is EdTech, and Y-Roots Wellness, and then Rapido Botics which is again technology. So आप देख सकते हैं कि these cricketers whatever they've earned they have invested very meaningfully in diversified businesses जिनमें उनको after their shelf life on the field, off the field also they can do very well. They can promote entrepreneurship, they can become great investors. I think they can be great venture capitalists as well, right? So similarly बहुत सारे हैं जैसे KL राहुल, अजिंक्य रहाणे, गौतम गंभीर, शिखर धवन, बहुत लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. But what I'm trying to say is they are doing magics. They've done magic not just on the field but also off the field. So for more such insightful videos, please do stay tuned, stay happy, stay healthy.